Have you ever wondered how those popular influencers and businesses get that little blue check mark next to their name on Paysend? It's a sign of authenticity and credibility, but it's not just given away. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the process of getting verified on Paysend. Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, just starting to make waves in the online world. You've got a great product, a loyal following, and you're ready to take your business to the next level. But how do you convince potential customers that you're the real deal? That's where Paysend verification comes in. Paysend verification is more than just a vanity metric. It's a stamp of approval that tells your audience you're a legitimate and trustworthy entity. It can boost your credibility, increase your reach, and even open doors to new opportunities. The verification process. So, how do you actually get verified on Paysend? Let's break down the process step by step. Meet the requirements. Paysend has specific criteria that you need to meet before you can even apply for verification. These requirements can vary depending on the type of account you have, personal or business, but they generally include a complete and accurate profile, a certain number of followers or subscribers, a history of positive engagement, adherence to Paysend's community guidelines. Submit your application. Once you've met the requirements, you can submit your verification application. This typically involves providing additional information about yourself or your business, such as proof of identity or business registration. Await review. After you submit your application, Paysend will review it carefully. This process can take some time, so be patient. Receive a decision. Eventually, you'll receive a decision on your verification application. If your application is approved, you'll get that coveted blue check mark next to your name. If it's rejected, Paysend will usually provide feedback on why your application was unsuccessful. Tips for a successful application. Here are some tips to increase your chances of getting verified on Paysend. Build a strong online presence. The more active and engaged you are on Paysend, the better your chances of getting verified. Provide quality content. Share valuable and interesting content that your audience will appreciate. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions to show that you care about your audience. Follow Paysend's guidelines. Make sure you're following Paysend's community guidelines to avoid getting penalized. Additional considerations. It's important to note that getting verified on Paysend is not a guaranteed process. Even if you meet all the requirements and follow all the tips, there's no guarantee that your application will be approved. Getting verified on Paysend can be a great way to boost your credibility and reach. However, it's important to remember that it's not the end-all and be-all. The most important thing is to focus on building a strong online presence and providing valuable content to your audience. So, are you ready to take the next step and get verified on Paysend? If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on social media success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.